Very good afternoon, student. The previous section we are learned the processing skill of the SQL. There more it is here studied data definition language, data manipulation language, embedded data manipulation language, view definition, authorization, integrity and transaction control. Today we are discuss each of the subtopic of database processing skill. First is the creating the database. How can create the database in the table? So to create the database, type the following command in the prompt. First you want any one data you want to create in the database, mean using the command for create database name. For example, you creating the database to store the table, mean using the commands for create database. What is the table you want to create? Means student. And next, to work in with the database, you want to using that database, mean you command want to use the use database. For example, use the student database you want to create and give the command to me using the command for the use student. And what is the components of the SQL? Mean the SQL commands are divided in 5 categories. First is the DML, that is exponent for data manipulation language. Next is the DDL, means data definition language. Next part is DCL, means data control language. And fourth one is TCL, this is the transaction control language. And last one DQL, that's the name is called data query language. First we are explain about data definition language. The data definition language consists of SQL statement. Already you know the SQL means structures query language statement used to define the database structures or scheme. So it simply deals with the description of the data scheme and used to one data you want to create and modify the structure of objects. The DDL provides set of the definition specify the storage structure and access the method used in the data definition database system. The data definition language perform the following function. What is the they are follow the function. The first one is to identify which type of data division we are using in the data item. So segment, record and database file. The second one, it gives the unique name. Each of the data item they giving the one unique name. The data item type, record type, file type and database. The third one, it specify the proper data type. What is the data type you are using? That is a specify in the database. And next, it should be an what is that? Define the size of the data files. We are using more than 8 characters, 8 and 9. So first you are another. Specify the how many size we are using in the data item. And fifth, it may define the range of the values that data item may use. What is the range you are using in the data item? It may specify privacy locks for preventing unauthorized data entry. No one didn't open in your record, so you want another security allotment you are keeping in your data entry of. The SQL command which comes under data definition language or first you are using what is the create. Create means to create the tables in database, and alter means you have another structure of the database, and drop means some unwanted data will be available in database, you want to delete that database. And truncate means and remove all records. What and all unwanted records will be available in your that you will be remove in the place. And release the proper phase occupied by the those record. You have another occupied another proper record you are using in the places. This is your up to this will be read. And next class I most probably you have going to conduct the exam, so study and will. Thank you, student.